In this video presentation, I am going to discuss the topic of 6 images of change management. These images include director, navigator, caretaker, coach, interpreter, and nurturer. In a management role, we all possess each of these images, though some more than others. The director image views management as controlling and change outcomes as being achievable as planned. The change manager's role is to steer the organization towards the desired outcome. This assumes that change involves a strategic management choice. In the navigator image, control is still at the heart of the management action. Although a variety of external factors means that although change managers may achieve some intended change outcomes, they may have little control over the results. Change managers must accept that there will be unanticipated disruptions and that options and resources need to be reviewed. Change navigators are also advised to encourage staff involvement. In the caretaker image, the ideal management role is still one of control. Although the ability to exercise that control is severely constrained by the range of internal and external forces that propel change relatively independent of management intentions. Theoretical support for the caretaker image can be drawn from 3 organizational theories: the life cycle, the population ecology, and the institutional theory. In the coach image, the assumption that change managers and change consultants can initially shape the organization's capability in a particular way. Like a sports coach, the change manager shapes the organization or the team's capabilities to ensure that in a competitive situation it would be more likely to succeed. Rather than dictating the state of each play as the dictator might do, the coach relies on establishing the right values, skill, and drills so the organization as interpreters has the task of achieve the desired outcomes for others, helping them to make sense of the events and developments that constitute a changed organization. It is up to change managers to represent to others just what these changes mean. Although there are often competing interpretations of the same issues, especially when there are different groups who do not necessarily share a common interest or perception, these suggestions that only some mean the same changes intentions are likely to be realized. The image of change manager as nurturer assumes that even small changes have a large impact on organizations, and that managers may be unable to control the outcomes of these changes. However, they may nurture the organization, developing qualities that enable positive self-organizations. Like a parent's relationship with a child, future outcomes are nurtures or shapes, but the ability to produce intended outcome is limited because of the impact of much wider, sometimes chaotic forces and influences. Because directions and outcomes of changes cannot be intentionally produced, but rather emerges and are shaped through the qualities and capabilities of the organization.